LED is short for light emitting diode. It's a solid state type of lighting that doesn't contain a filament like incandescent and halogen sources do. In fact, the way it creates light is very different than the general lighting sources that have come before it. So there's a lot of excitement about LED, but also a lot of questions. There are a lot of different components of an LED bulb, but the three main parts are the diode, which generates the light, the lens, which focuses or aims that light, and the heatsink, which draws heat away from the diodes and keeps them from overheating. The buzz surrounding LEDs has been strong lately, but light-emitting diodes have actually been around for decades. You see them used as indicator lights, signs, and in brake lights on cars. However, for a long time, they just didn't deliver enough light to be used for general lighting. Recently, though, there's been a number of new products that really do live up to the hype. The time to seriously consider LEDs for your home or your business is finally here. So let's take a look at some of the benefits of LED lighting and some things to consider before you try it out. Quality LED products have an average rated life of up to 50,000 hours. That's 50 times longer than most incandescent bulbs and 5 to 6 times longer than most CFLs. Put another way, if you use this bulb for 8 hours a day, 7 days a week, a 50,000 hour bulb should last almost 16 years. This will obviously save you money on buying replacement bulbs, and if they're for your business, can significantly cut down on maintenance costs, especially in hard to reach areas. LED bulbs are extremely energy efficient. In fact, most use less electricity than a CFL, and they just keep getting better. A typical LED replacement for a 60-watt A lamp like this can use as little as 7 or 8 watts of electricity, compared to a CFL, which uses 15 watts, or an incandescent or halogen bulb, which can use up to 60 watts. The efficiency of LED bulbs means that less pollution is created from using less power to light them. And LEDs also don't contain mercury, like CFL or other fluorescent sources do. With the LED market growing so quickly, there's a lot of companies eager to manufacture them. Some of these products perform great, and some, well, not so great. And with the long life of these products, you'll want to work with a manufacturer that will warranty and stand behind their products. Let's take a look at two similar products from different companies and show how the quality can differ between similar products. Both of these LEDs are designed to replace a 50-par-20 halogen floodlight. The one on the left is a quality product that we sell on our website, and the one on the right is a bulb we don't sell because it doesn't meet our quality standards. Let's light them up so you can see the difference. The bulb on the left is a Philips product. As you can see, it's creating bright, warm light with consistent color and a focused beam. Our sample on the right is dimmer than the Philips bulb, has inconsistent color, an inconsistent beam, is yellow at the edges and almost pink in the center. As a general rule, LED bulbs are dimmable. In fact, most can be dimmed down to 10%, which is a much wider range than a CFL. Some dimmer and bulb combinations work better than others, so that's another good reason to try out a few before you switch over entirely. Most manufacturers have information on the dimming system their bulbs are compatible with, so if you're not sure, just give us a call. And one more important note. Like CFLs, LED bulbs generate heat that has to dissipate in order for the bulb to continue working properly. So it's important not to install LED bulbs into fixtures that are fully enclosed. If you're thinking of changing over an entire room or facility to LED lighting, you're going to want to try out a couple of bulbs first to see how they compare with the lighting you're already using. Because light is created very differently with an LED, you'll want to test out a couple of bulbs first to make sure you're getting the right quality light that you need to light your space.